Hey guys, today I'm going to show you ChatGPT Advanced Voices, the angry voices and the shy voices. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now I am inside the free version of ChatGPT right here, and this method can work for both of the ChatGPT application mobile versions or the web versions. Inside you can just go ahead and say something to ChatGPT like, tell me a joke on your preferred voice. In our case, we'll go ahead and type angry right here. And right after that, as an example, I'll go ahead and say the same thing, but now we'll hear it from the shy voice. So if we click on the read aloud button right here, ChatGPT will read this prompt right here in an angry voice and a shy voice. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.